Yeah, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So I got to play around with the Pixel 6a, the 7, and the 7 Pro. And I gotta say, first of all, just going on the Pixel 7, I was surprised on how much narrow the phone was, but just how comfortable it really felt in hand. Playing around with it and just noticing, like, yeah, I mean, Google kind of like made a small phone that's not really a small phone. It's just so weird how it is. I'm definitely, getting my 7 when as soon as I can, after I get the watch. Um, it's fluid and everything. Android 13 is Android 13, but the other big surprise to me was the Pixel 7 Pro, which ended up, it has like the curved side, the curved side displays, and it doesn't really feel like it has a curved display at all. Like I would say it's pretty like reminiscent of the Pixel 2 XL's curved display. So you don't really see it. It's not a drastic curve. It is curved, but it's not drastic. Yeah, I don't know, just weird how it feels. I also got to play around with the Pixel Watch, and I gotta say that the construction of the Pixel Watch, I'm not some people might not like it for its size, but yeah, I will say that for me, uh, yeah, I'm gonna tell I'm gonna have a great experience with it already so far. I mean, the user interface and swiping in between things, the response of the touches and everything is very fluid. And it just looks nice. The display looked really nice for all the things I was looking at. Um, and the size of it, it's not a deal breaker for me. So, they had them on display, the different watch bands, and then the Pixel Buds Pro. So it's definitely looking at those two as well. Um, it was an overall. I mean, yeah, it's in Best Buy, so there's not like I can like really get to test the phones out or anything like that, or take them out. Do speed testing for data connectivity to see how the Exynos 5300 modem, how it works and performs. But overall, yeah, these devices are actually pretty dope. I'm also excited to try to get a Pixel 6a as soon as I can too as well. The 6a really felt like the Pixel 6, so kind of weird just how Google emulates that, kind of like what they did with the Pixel 3a, how the back of it mirrored the Pixel 3 with that frosted look, even though it was polycarbonate. The back of the Pixel 6a feels like glass, but it is not glass at all. So, you know, I feel like that with these iterations, especially the 7 and 7 Pro, Google did a great job as far as hardware design and feel for the phones. The displays are just really just wow. Um, so yeah. And then of course, I'm gonna bring out my Pixel 6 to compare it side by side with the Pixel 7 here, just so you guys can see here real quick. So here we go. And yeah, 7 is a bit smaller. Thanks for checking out this video. Peace.